Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Updated iPhone and Apple TV, same Wi-Fi, and FaceTime signed in. This avoids permission hiccups. Once done, open the app that has the show, movie, or game you want to share. Next, start a FaceTime call with the people you'll watch with. Don't wait until media is playing. Make sure notifications are silenced and the video app is ready. Then proceed to the next step to trigger Shareplay and link the TV. Once the FaceTime call is live, tap the FaceTime controls and choose Shareplay. This tells iOS to synchronize playback across devices. Then, play the media inside the app. When prompted, pick Shareplay so everyone joins the same stream. If your goal is the TV, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring or AirPlay, and select your Apple TV or AirPlay 2 compatible TV. Shareplay continues on screen, while audio and control. To finish, use either your iPhone or the TV remote to pause, seek, or change volume. Shareplay keeps everyone synchronized. If playback drops or lags, first check Wi-Fi strength, then stop and restart the app or FaceTime and reselect AirPlay to the TV. Make sure every participant has the app and any required subscriptions, otherwise content won't play for them. If problems persist, reboot both devices and try a direct AirPlay mirror as a fallback. This usually restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.